So guys, I'm switching this page from news analytics. I've been doing political news, and I changed it to celebrity news, talking about the video and others. But now I try to change it totally to business page. I gave my reasons. I've been doing political news, trying to put some good thumbnails, description, hashtags, and I'm putting the right tags and other things, but it is not going fine. So I feel like I'm competing with the big people. Like, if I start talking about the video, I'm talking about the video, and the thing I talk about the video, maybe there is something that the video posted and the other people have posted it, and the video instead I posted it. So now I'm competing with the video, and I'm competing with those people like Ellen Dikeji, Najaji, Sleji.ng, Punch News, Vanguard, The Nation News, and the other news source. Even though like all this Wazobia, QFM, Lagos FM, Asgidi, and the other ones like the Kids FM and Arewa Radio. So now I'm competing with the bigs. So as I'm competing with them now, it's like I'm trying to, it's not easy. So that is what I discovered, and I know that I have to change. So I have to switch. Maybe by the time that I will be ready, because I'm now doing other businesses that is cutting my time, and also I'm doing something that I invest. So those investments will not actually allow me to be promoting anyhow, because I'm doing invest now. So I'm now switching from the news, from the normal news that I used to do about politics. Political news, you can't even monetize it. That is why I changed it. Like you are talking about the OP and the article or other ones, Nubu. So you cannot monetize all those content because they feel like it is political news. And when you talk about election, INEC, all those things, so they don't use to monetize all those things. And in that aspect, that is one of the things that makes me to change. And actually, I don't have time for all those ones now. If I want to be doing all those things, I will be doing it on my Facebook page and the other, if I have time for Instagram. So but now I'm mostly active on Facebook and on YouTube. So that is that. And for those of you who fall in that spirit of asking me why I change, it is my changing. And I know that you people are the one watching my content, and though that will not make me to, I'm trying to be okay. And in this aspect, it's not easy at all, but sometimes we do something not because the thing is easy, it's because we like doing it, and we like doing it. So that is that, and I hope this my switching will be enough and good, and people gonna vibe to it. And in this time now, I'm going to start teaching you people how to do some businesses with the zero capitals, and others. But especially I want to make it to be Nigeria based, because going internationally, I'm not going to teach the world. I will teach the world because some people will like it, but let me focus mostly in the country Nigeria and Africa, where I reside as my continent and country, Nigeria, continent Africa. And this aspect, if you have watched this video to this moment, subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment, and don't hesitate to tell your neighborhood about this channel, and God is going to bless you. So in the comment section, you will see a link to my WhatsApp. Let me just say, forget the comment section so that YouTube will not distract what I'm. So I'm going to put the link to my WhatsApp in the description of this video. So you have to change the description to reach me. Like you wanna learn about creating standard thumbnails. You want to start either you want to learn it or you want me to start creating your thumbnails for your videos. So yeah, it's very okay, and I will create like 10 thumbnails for you. Each thumbnail I can just create it with just each thumbnail 200 naira. So 10 thumbnail can go for 2k. And if you want to learn it, I will use like 3k to teach you. So you have to choose the one best. You learn it and you are okay forever. And you start creating 200. So you have to check it. And other things like teach you how to tag your videos, hashtag, tagging that box as tagging the description, writing good description, title, and setting up the YouTube account or channel to be standard. And I know you're gonna like it, so don't flop. You're gonna get good, no matter your niche. What makes me to switch from this one is that if I'm doing political news now, I'm competing with the people I know, but affiliate market is the thing that gives us money when we never monetize. And my biggest mistake was that I monetized my first channel and I started posting because of my phone lost. Although I get a new phone later and I feel like I don't want to continue. And that makes me demonetize the channel because the channel is no more active. I did demonetize before I can check the channel. No more watch hours, and I have to beat the watch hour to 4,000 again. And what makes me not to keep on that channel? I have a channel that is 1,908 subscribers now, but the channel gets 2 strikes. Do you know what makes this strike? It's because of the same news that I've used this popular people, all these politicians' pictures to do. You see, strike, not just claim, strike. 3 strike, your channel is gone. So I get 2. Since last year, about this is almost to 10 to 11 months. The thing is still hurting my channel. Upon say they are not showing it again on my channel, but it's still hurting because YouTube never forget the strike. The strike notification may go that you are not more striked, but YouTube still remember you that you are violating the rules. So it will hurt you. It will hurt you. So I don't want to continue with that aspect. So YouTube should not make the same mistake. If you want to use political, like you like the political news or celebrity news, you can use Meta AI. Type a picture of the video with the bit.ly or picture with the video with the private jet. So they're going to show if the thing look like the video clearly that because they're going to show you the cartoon form. But if the cartoon still resembles the video, there is a place in the InShot that we use. Go to the InShot, they say sticker. Type glass. They are going to show you glass. Maybe from the first time you put the black glass, then try to put the other glass that shine like a stainless color, or put another red color on the top so that we look like glass with the different fancies, and it's not going to resemble the video actually again. I will say you blow it. Either if you want to blow it, you can blow it a little, but this one better than blowing it. And this is not actually the video. AI images are created and the authorities say that nobody created it. It is AI, it is generated, not created by someone. What makes people claim AI pictures and videos is if they are the one that generate it and they re-edit it and they claim it. So they have done some work, so they have to claim it. But as far as they did not do any work, they will not claim it. So that is that. God bless you for watching. Share, like, subscribe, and check the description for the link to my WhatsApp. I will teach you if you want to grow online, make money with the businesses, and you want to even music. You can start to use AI to create music and use it to monetize your audio marks, Apple Music and others. And you can even use it for YouTube channel, because you know all those music, they can claim all those music if you use them. But this one is safe music that you just write a little of the music. AI will help you to create it, and it's free. So unless you want to upgrade, it's free. I will tell you how to do it if you chat me on WhatsApp, and you use it to do dancing on TikTok. TikTok, I know they don't claim on TikTok, but YouTube they claim and claim on Facebook. So it will be free because it's your music. It's your music. That's why you write it. AI help you to generate it completely. So it's your music. So you're not using anybody's music. It's yours, and you're going to make money with it. And that music is you can still sell it to people. Like if there are some content creators, they want to be using background music, you can sell to them, or you can create a new one for them, calling the brand, their brands and others. You're going to go good. You can sell one music for as high as 10k, 20k, depends, 15k. If they don't want it, they can go to studio and tell people to make music for them. Music is not easy to make now. Go to a studio and say you want to make music. You'll be hearing people that do cheap now is up to 50 to 70k in Nigeria here, and standard people can do up to even they can do 1 million to 500k per music. For go cheap, the cheap is between 50, and maybe there is somebody that just learn about production and just want to start, can collect 50 to 70. Others is 100 plus now, 150, 200 for people that are not even started studio. So now studios now can collect at least 300k, 250 up. And I know many people who stays in Ikorodu that are collecting up to that. Go to Ikeja, they will humble your life. Share, like, subscribe. Bye for now. I'll come back.